Okay, you got it?
Stupid. Who is so illegal?
No, the fucking cops here are dickheads. This lady is the only fucking person that's been nice. Him, everybody else has been fucking dickheads. So now we both go to fucking jail. Who the fuck is gonna bond us out?
No one.
Exactly. Now my grandpa has to drive fucking 8 hours to get the goddamn kids. No, I wanna listen to what my grandpa has to say. I wanna make sure my kids are fucking taken care of.
A couple from Georgia, Alyssia Langley and Timothy Stevens, were on Daytona Beach, Florida, with their 2 young children, ages 5 and 7. They were reported to be heavily intoxicated. Someone who observed the couple's condition called the Volusia County Sheriff's Office. When deputies arrived, they found the couple passed out on the beach. The deputies struggled to wake the disoriented couple as they were unconscious. Surrounding the couple were open containers of alcohol they had consumed. When questioned about the location of their children, the couple struggled to provide clear answers. Initially, Stevens gestured towards the ocean, but the children were not there. Deputies then found the children unsupervised, swimming in a pool at a nearby hotel. The couple was arrested on charges of child neglect.
What's up, guys? Sheriff's Office. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Hey, guys. Yep, time to wake up, guys. Hey. Hey. The Sheriff's Office. Wake up. Need to sit up. Come on, get up. Wake up. Welcome back. Sit up. Why? Can't have alcohol on the beach. You got ID? Do you have ID?
ID or a different one? Give him my ID or give him yours.
You guys have children with you?
Give him my ID or give him yours.
Are they with you?
Hey, your kids with you?
Yes.
Where are they at? Hey,
Where are you?
your kids.
Right there.
One here and then one here.
Where's your ID? I don't have mine.
Nothing wrong with it.
So give him your ID. That's what he wants, your ID. Are they right here? What's in here?
Hey, where are they at? Where are
Go get the kids. I got this. I'll do it.
No.
You go.
Here, I'll go with him. Tell me where your kids are.
Nice name.
How old are they?
7 and 8.
Boys, girls, boy and a girl?
Boy and a girl.
Okay, you don't know where they are?
Right at the beach. Right at the pool. Yeah, you do everything else on the beach. You passed out. You're supposed to be watching over the kids. So, put it on speaker. Put the phone up there.
I'm trying.
What happened to your hand?
It's work.
Work?
Yeah. Some people wouldn't know about it.
It's not very nice.
I don't care.
I need you to come get the kids. Me and Timothy are both being arrested.
Is somebody able to come get the kids?
Come get the kids.
Why
Me
am I
and
being
Timothy
arrested?
are both being fucking arrested.
Alcohol on the beach and child neglect.
Can you tell him where we're at? Can you tell him where we're at?
So we're not allowed to have any beer at the
Daytona
beach?
It's illegal.
Huh?
It's illegal to have alcohol on the beach.
Is it?
Yes.
I thought it was not glass.
Nope, glass is not allowed, but neither is
Can
alcohol.
you please give
Because what happens is people get drunk and then they drown in the ocean.
I only had like 2 beers.
2 is still illegal.
2 is so illegal?
Two is so illegal.
No, the fucking cops here are dickheads. This lady is the only fucking person that's been nice. Him, everybody else has been fucking dickheads. So now we both go to fucking jail. Who the fuck is gonna bond us out?
No one.
Exactly. Now my grandpa has to drive fucking 8 hours to get the goddamn kids. No, I wanna listen to what my grandpa has to say. I wanna make sure my kids are fucking taken care of.
We can roll down the window.
I'm sorry, but
we can roll down the window.
and him, I don't trust them. No.
In the truck. She said in the truck.
Can you just wait? Can you just
roll
wait?
down the
Can you
window.
just wait? I want to make sure my kids are fucking.
We're gonna make sure they're taken care of.
Okay, so tell him to come over here and let me listen to what my grandpa's saying.
He's writing down a message right now.
And I can't hear nothing.
In the truck.
I'm telling you to get in the truck, and I'd like you to get in yourself. And so
I want to make sure my
I've been
kids
trying to
Will,
work
get in
with
the
you this
truck,
whole
please.
time, and he's
Where are my kids gonna go?
going to the Family Resource Center. So they're going to take care of them. They'll feed them, they'll clothe them, and they'll be comfortably waiting until your was it father or grandfather arrives. Okay? I need you to get in the truck for me. Okay? We've been drawing this out too long. You said you want to get this over with. Let's try to get this over with. Okay? You got it?
Stupid.
Call an ambulance, please. Hey! Call a guardian. Hey! Wake up! Wake up!
Timothy Stevens was also charged with escape after attempting to flee from deputies. The children were taken into the care of the Department of Children and Families. Later, the children were released to the care of their grandfather, who traveled from Georgia. The parents were released from jail after they bonded out. It's crazy to think that this couple was so intoxicated that they didn't even realize their children were missing.